Hello trader, welcome back to Pockets Forex. We'll be giving you our weekly Forex forecast. And before we get started with this week's video, we'll be giving you a quick disclaimer. On our YouTube channel, we only provide forecast. There's other important elements that need to come into play to make you a profitable trader. You need to know when to enter, you need to know when to exit, you need to know when the chart is going to go against you, which is trade management. You also need to understand and practice proper risk management. With that said, let's get started with the weekly Forex forecast. We have GBP USD on this chart. GBP USD this past week, a down move was forecasted from here down. Then we got that down move. This next week, now we're expecting a down move here because of this formation of the structure that's coming here. So we're expecting a down move to reach this level here. After this down move, we'll be looking forward for an up move. From here, we'll be looking forward for an up move. We won't be taking this sell here, but we'll only be looking for the buy here until this level. And if you remember well, this movement is only a continuation to the upside that was forecasted from this level, and then up here, and all we're having here is a corrective structure. We'll be looking forward for another up move to reach this level for GBP USD. So our bias is to take an up move from here all the way until this level here. Any sell, we won't be taking it because our structure is telling us that there's a likely chance to get more up than to go down. And if we go down, the down move is going to be small, and if we go up, the up move is going to be big. So we'll be looking forward to taking the big up move for GBP USD. Euro GBP this past week we focused on an up move from here. We said that we're expecting a sharp move all the way up from this level all the way until this level. This past week we moved from here to this level sharp 170 pips, then we pulled down. So this next week our structure is still standing. We're still looking for a sharp up move, and the sharp up move is expected to be similar to this up move. We're expecting it around this area here all the way until this level. That's what we have for Euro GBP. USDJPY, we forecasted this down move from here. We say that we're expecting a down move to reach this level, but instead we just moved sharp like that. Then there's a struggle around this area. This next week we're expecting one down, and the down move is expected to reach this area, then up. We will not be selling this down move, but we need this down move to give us better entry until this level. This down move here will give us better risk to reward, so we need this down move, then we buy all the way until this level here. That's for USDJPY. We'll be looking for only buy positions from this level. Euro JPY, we will be expecting an up move, but this up move may not be ready because we're more likely to get a corrective structure here, then continue down, one more down. After we get this one more down, we'll be looking forward for an entry. But if we get our entry from here, we'll be taking the buy move. If we get our entry, we know what to look for in order to get the buy move, so we'll be looking for that for Euro JPY. No sells for Euro JPY. We're only looking for buy opportunities. GBP JPY, we're expecting one more down here, then up. For GBP JPY, we forecasted it from this level. We said we are looking for an up move to reach this level here, but we just got a movement like that. Then whatever we're getting here is just a corrective structure for us, and this upcoming week we're looking for one more down, then we can look for buy opportunities here. But if you traded this to the upside from here, you can manage your trade and make sure you shift your stop loss to break even, because here we're expecting an up move. So just in case we get this, so that you can be safe, but our bias is up. Euro USD, we talked about this down move from this level to reach this level, and we said if we get our entry from this level here, we'll be looking forward for a buy opportunity from this level all the way until this level here. We said we needed the completion of the structure to reach this level, and then we can take this buy from here all the way until this level here. So you can wait for this setup here to complete here, then we can take the buy. That's for Euro USD. Our bias is up. If Euro USD decides to continue down, we will not take the down move. We only want buy opportunities from Euro USD. AUDNZD, This past week, we focused at a down move from this level. We say that we're expecting a down move to reach this level here. That's for AUDUSD, but instead we just moved down, then up. So this next week, there's a likely chance that we might push down to this level here. Then from moving to this level, we might push up to this level here. Then from this level, we may be looking for a big down move, and the down move is expected to be similar to this down move. We're expecting it around this area. That's for AUDUSD. So if you took this sell from here, manage your trade, and we're likely to get one more down here. If we get this down move, you can get out with small profits or with break even, so that you can wait for this up move so that you can enter from this level for a sell position. That's for AUDUSD. CADJPY, we focused at a down move from here to reach this level here, and we're moving down like that. So this next week, we're looking forward to getting a pullback until this area here, then continue down. That's for CADJPY. If you found an entry here, make sure you manage your trade and make sure you shift stop loss to break even, so that if it reverses against you, you can get out with break even and look for another entry here for a sell. But overall, CADJPY, our bias is down. NZDUSD, we're expecting a down move to reach this level, a down move from here to reach this level. So what we're getting here for NZDUSD, there's a likely chance we might push up to reach this level. So if you entered for a sell, make sure you manage your trade. There's a likely chance we can push up then down, but we are not looking forward to buying this, but we're looking forward to selling this because it's a bigger sell. So we're expecting to sell this from here all the way until this level. It would give us better risk to reward. That is why we will ignore this buy here, because we want this bigger move here. That's for NZDUSD. USDCHE, we're looking for a sell opportunity here, downside then up. So we'll be looking forward to selling this if we get our entry opportunity. Then from here, we can be looking forward to buying if we get our entry opportunity. That's for USDCHE. We can sell this, then we buy this. But do not jump in from here and sell if you don't know how to trade this sell move. If you have a strategy to sell this, you can sell until this level. But if you don't, you can just ignore it and look for other setups. From here, we'll be looking forward to getting a buy. If this setup continues up, we will ignore it, but we only want sell opportunities, then up from this level. For USDCAD, we're looking forward for a big up move here, but we cannot take that big up move unless we get this down move. This setup can continue up from here, but we will ignore the buy and wait for this down move, then buy from the bottom here. We're not looking forward to trading this down move, but we only need this down move to give us better risk to reward. And if we get the down move, we'll be looking forward to taking our buy from this level here. That's for USDCAD. EUROCAD. For EUROCAD, we're looking forward for a pullback here, then buy. We will not sell this, but we want to buy this here because this is a bigger move and it's promising more pips than this sell here. So we'll ignore the sell and look for buy opportunities from here until this level for EUROCAD. For AUDJPY, this is similar to AUDUSD. From here, we focused at a down move, but this setup here, it shows that there might be a pullback here to this level, then up. Then the up move from this level is gonna push from here to here after this movement completes. That's for AUDJPY. We might get a down move here. So if you are selling this, you can manage your setup. Then from here, you let it go down, then up. Then you take this sell from here down. You can ignore this up move here. Just ignore this up move. If we get it, then wait for this sell opportunity to the downside because it's expected here. From here, we're expecting this down move. We can go with a down move. AUDNZD. AUDNZD, we're expecting a movement like this, then up to break this previous high, but with just a few pips, then down. The moment we get this down move to break this low and this low, we will be looking forward to buying to the upside. we will not sell this, but we will wait for the big up move, because the up move is expected to break these 3 highs all the way to the upside. That's for AUDNZD. We're expecting a down move here, then an up move to break these highs. So wait for the buy and ignore the down move here. NZDCAD. For NZDCAD, we're expecting a down move from this level all the way until this level. That's for NZDCAD. But from here, we'll be expecting a temporary up move, but that up move will end up to this level. Then from here, we'll be expecting a down move. We'll be selling all the way from here until this level. If this setup decides to drop, we will not be entering this sell, because this sell move will give us better risk to reward from this level all the way until this level. That's for NZDCAD. We're looking for sells only, sell opportunities for NZDCAD. AUDCAD. For AUDCAD, this past week we're expecting to get a down move from here all the way until this level. This down move was expected for AUDCAD, but instead the structure that's forming here, we're expecting to get a down move, then an up move. But this down move is gonna end and up to here. Then this up move is gonna break this previous high, then down. When this down move is ready, we will take the down move and we'll let whatever is happening here happen. All we are interested in is this sell opportunity, so we ignore what's happening here, then look for the sell opportunity all the way until this level. That's for AUDCAD. Euro AUD, we're expecting an up move. If we get our entry from here, we'll be buying to the upside. But if this continues down, we will let it continue down. Then from here, we will still be looking for our buy opportunities. Our bias is up. From here, our bias is up for Euro AUD. We're only looking for up moves, no sells. If it decides to go up, down, if it decides to go down, we ignore it. We only look for buy. Euro NZD, we're likely to push up then down to break this previous low. Then from here, we'll be looking for a buy opportunity from here. If the setup decides to go up from here and we get good risk to reward, we can go with the up move. But if it continues down, also we will go up with the up move from this level or from this level. If we get our entry, we'll be buying to the upside. No sells for us. If we get this down move, we ignore it, but we only look for buy opportunities. This is GBP-CHF. GBP-CHF, we're expecting a down move from this level until this level. Then from here, we'll be looking for buy opportunities. We will not be taking this down move. We're only looking for the bigger move for GBP-CHF, only buy opportunities. If it decides to go down, we're not ready for this down and we're not expecting it. All we're expecting is a buy from this level all the way until this level here. Lastly, we have GBP-NZD. For GBP-NZD, we focused at a down move from this level here. We said we're expecting it to move all the way until this level, all the way until this level. So this next week, we're looking for something like this, then down until this level here. That's for GBP-NZD.